Hi, today I'm reviewing Realme 10 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application and then in the search bar under the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, we should just tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings, and near green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher, tap to activate, and go back. Then click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's just use the search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.